Kapamilya, nandito na naman ako. Life is short and life is unpredictable. Diba? Tomorrow is not promised to anyone, young or old alike. Ano man ang edad natin, hindi tayo sigurado kung hanggang kailan tayo mabubuhay. Today may be your last chance to get to hold your loved ones. We cannot even predict our health conditions. Ang masakit nito, we might encounter a terminal illness. According to research, people with terminal illness have different reactions. Number 1, shock and denial. Hindi sila makapaniwala. Number 2, anger and frustration. Galit at pakiramdam nila ay unfair ang sitwasyon. Why me? Bakit ako? Bakit ngayon? Bakit? At marami pang bakit. Number 4, sadness and depression. Labis na kalungkutan. Number 5, fear and worries about the financial needs. Dahil ang terminal illness ay walang notice, dapat maaga mong napaghandaan ito. You don't need to add financial worries if you have life insurance with living benefits. If you have a terminal illness, you can accelerate the death benefit funds through the living benefit riders. Kaya imbes na mag-alala ka, live in the present moment. Spend more time with God and loved ones. Aim for peace and comfort and leave a lasting legacy. Facing a terminal illness is really challenging, but with God's help and advanced preparation, you can navigate this journey. Don't wait until it's too late. Nasa huli ang pagsisisi, kaya huwag ka nang magpauli. Text me at 323-244-9784. Gusto mo din bang makatulong sa iba katulad ko? You too can be a living benefit specialist. Ang maganda rito, makakatulong ka na, matutulungan ka pa. Ito po si Gina Christie. Until next time!